Hi everyone, I'm Hyacinthe from English with Hyacinthe, and welcome to this beginner level English listening practice podcast. You can use this podcast to train your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. By the end of this podcast, I'll give you a great question that we can answer down below or discuss at home. So let's jump right in. In this podcast, I'm going to talk about family. My family is very important to me. I live with my parents and my younger brother. My father is a teacher and my mother works as a nurse. We spend a lot of time together, especially on weekends. My brother and I play video games or go outside to play soccer. We also have a dog named Max, and we take him for walks in the park. My grandparents live in another city, but we visit them during the holidays. Family is about love, sport, and spending time with the people who care about you the most. Now, I'm going to ask you one question, and don't forget to answer down below. Who is in your family? Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this podcast. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao.